right, here we have number 4. You are going to be proving that the two figures here are congruent or not congruent. Then write its congruency statements if they are. Okay, so the first one, okay, we will say that it is congruent. And the reason why it is congruent is because the GHEF can be mapped onto CDAB by rigid motion transformations. It was actually a translation of 4 units up, followed by reflection over the y-axis. That's the reason. Then I show the reasoning with the evidence. Okay, the x comma y arrow, x comma y plus 4 represents the 4 units up. Then the second one is showing the reflection over the y-axis. You put the negative onto the x. Okay, right? Then you can write the congruency statement. But this is what I'm looking for: a claim, an evidence, and a reasoning. Right. So for E, we can start by saying they're not congruent. Okay, the shapes are not the same size, and the reason why is because you can treat whichever one is the prime or the. These are the wrong letters. I copied it from before, okay? So I can change the letters later, okay? Right, so GHEF can be mapped onto CDAB, or whichever one here, only by non-rigid motion transformations. It was a dilation of k equals to 2, followed by reflection over the y-axis. That 2 in front of the x and the 2 in front of the y represents the scale factor of 2. Then made the x a negative to show the reflection of the y-axis. Okay, yes, I did mess up here. This is not GHEF. This can be, let's say, NMPH, and then this one would be, I think, BA. P is down there, so this is D and C. Okay, so there you go. Claim, evidence, and reasoning. Make sure you write the rules, right? Non-congruent is for non-rigid motions, and congruent are for rigid motion transformations.